saute some zucchini, onions, and green peppers and some grapeseed oil with the cast iron skillet. 45 minutes to an hour on the stove. We let that wild rice cook. We strain that water from that wild rice and we add it to our cast iron skillet like that right there. And we give it a good mix. Should look something like that right there. Then on the side, we done cut up some oyster mushrooms and fried them just like that right there. We got some homemade barbecue sauce that we made. I'm gonna get that recipe to you. And then so we put it on our mushrooms and then we put our sesame seeds on top. Now we got sesame sweet mushrooms. That's what we got right there. We're gonna make us a plate. This is our alkaline Chinese food, okay? This is what we call our alkaline Chinese food, okay? And we're gonna add our sesame fried mushroom. Look at that sweet glaze on there. That barbecue sauce do its thing, don't it? Look at that. Look at that. Give me a follow, man, if you want to see more food like this.